just did that. What? This is insane. This is what TikTok didn't tell you about in Yunque, Puerto Rico. As many times as I've been to Puerto Rico, I cannot believe this is my first time visiting the National Forest, El Yunque. It's 7:45 in the morning. We have a very adventurous day ahead of us. We are going to El Yunque. Gonna do some hiking, some like jumping into bodies of water. I'm excited. I love stuff like this. So I'm a little tired, but I'm sure my body will wake up eventually. About a 40-minute drive outside of San Juan, I booked this tour through UrGuidePR.com. Well, the rain has started, which is fine because we're going into the rainforest, so very fitting. We made it to the rainforest. We're not supposed to bring like our phones and stuff like that, so if you want to record, definitely make sure you have a GoPro. Yvonne is very good at recording you and like taking your pictures, taking your videos and sending them to you, so you should be good off that tip. But if you want your own personal footage experience, definitely have a GoPro / waterproof stuff. Let's go have some fun.
3.2 miles round trip, so we're going to do a little bit of workout. We don't want to go heavy, we don't want to go anything that is gonna get wet. If you need anything familiar, don't be shy. Don't be shy because it's gonna be moderate to strenuous. So if you need help, hey Ivan, give me a hand, hey Ivan, whatever. Oh yeah, this ginger right here is known as crab ginger. Sí, adorada, ¿verdad?
No flavor. We did stop here and there to learn more about the natures of the forest, which I love. So apparently we can eat this. It's really good to like make it into like a tea of some sort, but obviously I can't do that right now, so let's see if anybody else is putting it in their mouth. Yes, they are. All right. So I don't have the best shoes today. I was not prepared. I recommend having like some proper hiking shoes, but it's all right, we're gonna get through it. It is full-blown raining at this point. It looks very beautiful. And like I said, we are in a rainforest, so it's expected. This is crazy. The water is a little chilly. These rocks are definitely slippery. So like I said before, some proper hiking shoes necessary. With that being said, I am in some Converse that I'm okay with throwing away. There's some people in water shoes, some people have on Crocs. So you can get it done with different types of shoes, but for like the safest experience, definitely hiking shoes. That's cold.
Yeah, you're cute. Ah! No, just
that was an experience. He said they don't show you this on TikTok, and that's a fact.
When you're behind the waterfall, you want to go under the waterfall, the waterfall is going to push you out. Good job.
Something about this man-made slide feels so scary, but I guess here we go. Oh my God. All right, here goes nothing. Yeah, we're in the water now, and if you ask me, the pace definitely escalated quite quickly. At this point, I was just existing. We were moving.
This current is strong. Has its way with you. Like what? We have another man-made slide on our hands. I just did that. What? This is insane. I'm not gonna lie. This is the most unique hiking experience I've ever done. The way I'm holding on to this rock. Alright. Put your head down. Literally, what an experience for real. We were one of the first groups here, so it wasn't as crowded. You know, I love that. But now it's definitely crowded. I can't even tell you what time it is because obviously I don't have a phone. But yeah, it's a lot more groups here at this point in time.
So after all that, now it's time to jump off of the cliff.
She's scared and I get it. Yes.
Now, the good thing is that they do provide options. Cliff 1, Cliff 2, Cliff 3. Of course, I choose to jump off of Cliff 3, the highest one.
Insane. So I was really excited to do the rope swing, but honestly, this last jump that I just did was kind of powerful. My ear's hurting a little bit, so I'm gonna keep it safe and I'm gonna keep it cute and just enjoy everybody else doing it.
You got it, girl.
I really love the crowd support. The crowd support is everything. This has been such a wonderful experience. I'm so happy.
I highly recommend doing a more so private tour. It feels like it's just a little bit smaller, more intimate. We got here super early, like I said, so there was like not many people here. Like, yeah, definitely recommend.
This is Yvonne, our personal tour guide. You are amazing. Thank you so much.
Nice to meet you, familia. You're welcome here. They did great. They did great. And you can find me on UrGuidePR.com, or you can go on Instagram and text me, message me, and I'll be more than pleased to help you and join us. En español, mira, vénganse para acá, para la isla, y ustedes saben que PR está.
Period. All right, y'all, the experience is over. We're about to head out. This has been amazing. El Yunque, Puerto Rico. I'm happy to have experienced you. This was great. Till next time.